everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and coming up in this video, we'll be visiting a glacier in Juneau, watching a lumberjack show and axe throwing in Ketchikan, swimming on the ship, and eating good food. If you're new here, make sure to check out my other Alaska Disney Cruise videos listed in the description, and give my friends at Getaway Today a call to get a quote on your own Disney cruise. Just don't forget to mention Mommy Mouse Clubhouse. Now hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any Disney fun, and let's get started. Good morning from Juneau, the capital of Alaska. What are you having for breakfast?
A donut.
A donut. We got some room service because we have an early excursion today and didn't want to deal with the buffet. Dad's having some cereal. And we got some donuts and croissants. Good morning to Dylan. He's coming over to get some breakfast. I'm having a bagel. We've also got some chocolate milk and some juice. Hey, what is going on here?
They said they were somewhere visible.
Good job. Hello, Dylan Villain. Hello, Derek Motorcycle. In Juneau, we chose the Mendenhall Glacier Explorer Excursion. We met in the Azure Club, where we checked in and waited to depart. This port adventure included a ride to and from the glacier on a double-decker bus, with time to explore the area and visitor center on our own. The price was $69 for ages 10 and up, $39 for ages 3 to 9, and free for ages 2 and under.
It's called Diamond Alley.
Where are we? Juneau, the capital of Alaska.
We're in Juneau.
Jewelry shops here, as well as souvenir shops and places to eat. This is the main part of downtown Juneau that we'll be driving through.
Like that one, Lucas.
You're built like a totem pole, Lucas.
Right, you stole that from me.
Mom, who wants to go to the 4 points up?
Off to your right. I'll make sure to point it out again on our way back. That nest has been there for about 20. Take you up there, and there is signage which will point out how to get to everything. All Glacier. Off to your left. The trail, if you stay to the left of that trail, it will take you to your best view of the glacier, your closest view where you can take pictures and enjoy the moment.
And the weirdos up there. And by weirdos, I mean your brothers. We're walking to Chicken Nugget Falls. Is it Chicken Nugget Falls?
Very.
Nugget Falls.
100%.
Nugget Falls Trail.
I wanna watch it crumble. Mom, I wanna watch.
Nugget Falls is next to Mendenhall Glacier and plunges 377 feet down the mountain into Mendenhall Lake. Here is a view of the distance between the glacier and the visitor center. When the center was built, it was right next to the edge of the glacier, and now you can see how much it has receded. After our walk to Nugget Falls, we headed to the visitor center to check it out. Then it was time to meet our driver and head back to the ship. Our bus did make a stop in downtown Juneau for those who wanted to get off and explore. We decided to get on the ship and grab some lunch. All right, tell us your trick here.
Ice cream.
You went and got 2 cookies from Daisy's Delights down there. Now you made an ice cream sandwich, huh? Make sure you lick the ice cream around the edges or it's gonna drip. We are going to have cookie sundaes. Okay, what did you get?
Pizza from Pinocchio's Pizza.
And it's good? How good?
Very, very good.
Best pizza ever or just up there?
Up there.
Yeah? All right, take a bite. Let's see.
It's super hot.
Right out of the oven?
Oh.
Okay, a little too hot?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try it later. Woo, look at that cheesy. Small bite. After lunch and some ice cream, we walked over to the drink station to get some hot chocolate to enjoy on our veranda. Our dinner that night was our second visit to Triton's, which is themed after The Little Mermaid. Lucas?
Very.
There's the pretty mural. And Derek's pretty face. Say it one more time.
Tea and crumpets.
I love your shirt. You look very spiffy tonight. Where's your shirt?
Good evening family. How are you doing tonight?
Good, how are you? Here is the dinner menu and the kids menu for Triton's.
Oh, she said
No pressure. Awesome. Thank you. Tonight's towel animal is a whale. This is our whale watching for the trip. And they brought chocolates with the whale. It's very misty outside. We're just relaxing in the room. What are you watching on TV?
Big City Reds.
Big City Greens.
Big City Reds.
The older boys are at the Vibe. And you're vibing on your Marvel pillow, aren't you?
We're going to get food. I don't know where, but we're going to get food.
Going
Tritons.
to get breakfast at Triton's, right?
I agree.
What do they have there that you like a lot? Stop shaking the journal so much.
Peanut butter and jelly tornado.
Typhoon, sir. Breakfast. Hey, boys. There's Ariel. Hi, Ariel. If you want to sit down breakfast on the Wonder, you can head to Triton's each day from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. unless otherwise noted. We like to do this some days to have a more relaxed morning than visiting the chaos in cabanas. What did you order for breakfast today?
Tornado.
This is the peanut butter and jelly typhoon. When Mom makes it at home, it doesn't look that good, does it?
But it's better out.
Dylan, what did you order today?
Very French toast.
French toast. And Derek, you got French toast also? The hash brown? I got a hash brown. Han, what did you get for breakfast?
Omelet with some bacon.
Sailing into Ketchikan, Alaska. It is rainy and pretty cold today. Shane is gonna go fishing. How are you feeling about the rain?
Don't know.
We'll find out. Good morning. We are in Ketchikan, Alaska. We are going to the Lumberjack Show and we are going to do axe throwing. Are you excited, Dylan? So we are supposed to go down to Main Street and turn right and find the log cabin. We found Main Street. Hello. He's walking to the show. Yes, when we're done. The duck was running to the show. Oh, there. Oh, it's a pigeon. Hi, pigeon. Oh, there it is. Lumberjack Show. What are we watching?
The show.
What show?
Oh, the Lumberjack.
The Lumberjack Show. And then after, what are you going to do after the Lumberjack Show?
Back to the ship.
No. What do you get to throw?
Oh, axes.
You get to throw an axe? Hey, what did you get for your snack?
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears. Just traditional gummy bears, huh?
You gotta eat the heads first.
Heads first. What snack did you get?
A pretzel.
The Great Alaskan Lumberjack Show featured a Canadian team versus an American team competing in different events to prove their lumberjack skills. My kids loved it, but unfortunately we were not able to take video, but we could take photos. Our Lumberjack Show excursion included axe throwing after the show. We were with a small group and everyone had the chance to throw 4 or 5 times. Oh, nice. Oh, look, oh, that was close. Ooh, good job, Lukey.
Oh.
Oh.
Here where the weight of that axe head shifts. Straight
Over your head, Mom. It's tilted. Oh! Oh! Let's go, Mom.
Good try, boys. Oh, good try, Lucas. While we were axe throwing, we spotted a bald eagle. Hey, what souvenir did you choose?
This one says Alaska. Then if you flip it, it has my name and it like blinks.
That is cool.
This is
What did you get?
licorice.
Yourself.
Huckleberry licorice whips. And what did you get?
Licorice.
Same?
Whips.
Whips. After some souvenir shopping, the boys and I headed back to the ship to get some lunch and wait for Shane to come back from his fishing excursion.
I chose to do the Authentic Alaska Fishing Excursion in Ketchikan, Alaska. The price for this excursion is $559 per person ages 10 and up, or $469 ages 8 to 9. The amount of time out fishing was about 5 to 6 hours for my excursion. We had a lot of fun. It is a long day, so bring some snacks and drinks. With that, you start your day at the outfitter shop. They'll get you suited up in the appropriate dress, so boots and a rain jacket. Also, you'll have to purchase a fishing license. That costs $15. After you get that, they'll align you with a tour guide, professional fisherman. Ours had been doing it for over 20 years. He knew the area very well, knew where to fish for certain types of fish. On our excursion, we caught halibut, we caught some cod, and we also caught some flounder. Another type of fish that's big up there is pike. So with that, knowing that, you board the boat and you're going to sail for approximately 45 minutes to an hour out to your first fishing stop, and you're going to fish off the bottom of the ocean, approximately 200 feet deep. So you're going to fish off the bottom, and that's where we caught some halibut. And then if you jig a little bit, that's where we caught some flounder and some pike as well, if I remember correctly. It's a good time. Be heads up for the weather. We just happened to have great weather that day, but it was in between rain. It was raining right until we left, got sunny for the entire time that we were fishing, and then as we got back, it started to rain again. The day before, it rained all day, so you're going to be out there rain or shine, so prepare for that. With that, you can keep the fish and send it back if you want, but there's a premium on it. It's not cheap. It's fairly expensive. I ended up giving my halibut to a lady on our ship who wanted to take all the fish. She was a big fisherman, so everybody just donated to her because it has to make sense. You have to have the right amount of pounds for it to make sense to be able to ship it home. But that being said, it's pricey, and my understanding is they do not pack it in dry ice. So ask some questions about that. All being said, this was a great time. I highly recommend it. It's one of those bucket list items I think everybody needs to do when you're in Alaska, is to go do some deep sea fishing. Have fun.
After lunch, Lucas and I went up to do some swimming and hang out in the hot tub. Hey kiddo, what are we doing? Hot tub. Hanging out in the hot tub in Alaska, huh? Ooh, our jets just turned off again. That's rude. Very rude. Should just stay on all the time. Hey, tonight is animation night. We get to color this and then it will animate it later.
What I call a colorful entrance. Oh, hi folks. My gosh, thanks for all the great drawings. These are just what I need to
Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Time tie your napkin around your neck, Sherry, and we'll provide the rest. One by one, till you shout.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we all
There's yours, Mom. There's Ollie.
Your friends pulled in of their little hand. Your friends go abracadabra, and then make the sucker disappear.
And I couldn't have done it without friends like you. Thanks, everybody. See y'all real soon.
After dinner, it was time for the nightly show. This time, it was ventriloquist Taylor Mason in the Walt Disney Theater. I hope you enjoyed this video of our days in Juneau and Ketchikan, Alaska on our Disney cruise. You can watch all of the Alaska Cruise videos on my Disney Alaska Cruise playlist that is linked above or in the description. If you're thinking about taking a Disney cruise to Alaska, I highly recommend it. It has been one of our favorite cruises so far. My friends at Getaway Today are happy to help you get a free quote and plan an amazing cruise as well. Remember to hit that subscribe button and visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for more Disney tips and recipes. I'll see you next time.